Hari Om. In continuation with our Kundalini Yoga series, today we are going to look at Manipur Chakra. Behind the navel center, inside the spine, is the location of Manipur Chakra. Mani means gems, a center of gems. It is called so because when your Manipur Chakra awakens, then you find lot of prosperity, wealth coming into your life. But Manipur Chakra physiologically is associated with your digestive system. So when it awakens, then your digestive system is full potential, and the element of Manipur Chakra is fire. So it is lights up all the digestive fires too. Like I always say, please read up in my book more about Manipur Chakra, its divine representation, and the rest of it, so that when you practice on different days, you can focus on the Manipur Chakra, visualize its symbol, which is a 10-petaled bright yellow lotus flower with a flaming fire at the center. On different days, you can focus on the different aspects of your Manipur Chakra. Stay with me and we'll move up to the Anahat Chakra at the heart center in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om. That's it.